You guys are swearing on my live stream. Okay, so this is the sheet that I've been working on that's powered by GPT. Pardon the background noise. I'm just chilling here with my family, watching some novelas. So I'm using GPT for Sheets and Docs. GPT for Sheets and Docs is an extension that you can download, and it allows you to use ChatGPT within Google Sheets, and you actually have a different set of formulas. You can kind of give it sort of base commands through formulas that are different. So I have it activated. You got to make sure to turn it on, and then you just go equals GPT. So if we do a list, it'll list down, let's just say list out keywords. So this is another tool that I built to concatenate keywords into exact match and phrase match. So you can just type the broad match, and then you have your exact match and phrase match there. It's a tool that exists, it's available online, but I feel like this is easier and it's cool to just make it yourself. So let's say list, oh no, you have to do it like this. List 50 keywords about lawn and garden accessories. I don't know. Bing. So it's going to list them down horizontally in each cell. Or sorry, vertically in each cell. Give it a second. 50's a lot. There we go. Lawnmower, garden hose, weed eater, sprinkler, hedge trimmer. And you see here that we have it in exact match and phrase match. So fertilizer, edger. And that right there would be our list. These ones I just highlighted yellow. I kind of just formatted them to look like this. Now how I did it, so there's some hidden cells here and some hidden cells here. You do something called, Rosie, shut up. Okay, there we go. So we're pretty much taking these, and this here is an equation to concatenate. Sorry, I had trouble unhiding those. It took a while. So all we're doing is concatenating these three cells, A plus B plus C. And then same thing, so we just do equals from here. And then in this one, we do B2. And then to get that, we get concatenate E, F, and G. Boom. And then we just hide the cells, and we have that perfect concatenator. So that was your GPT list. We listed out 50 keywords, and let's see if we can re-hide this by undoing. Yes, we can. Okay, so that is the tool. Very simple tool, powered by Google Sheets and GPT for Sheets. So OpenAI, ChatGPT. Some other cool things you can do with that are, so I could do a horizontal list. So let's say list 15 states with beautiful mountains. And then you gotta put it in the quotes. Okay. And because it's an H list, it lists them horizontally: Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, Utah, New Mexico, Arizona, California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Alaska, Nevada, South Dakota, North Carolina, and Vermont. Okay, now, so let's take this. Let's see if we can do another thing. So let's just say this, and then we have, let's do, what do we go down to? Mulch. And this. So let's say equals GPT format. And then I believe the reference is this. And then you do this one. And let's see what in the heck it does for us. So it's referencing backward. So let's see if I switch this order to K and I. Come on, give me some parentheses. So this is part of the reason why I made the concatenator tool, is because GPT has trouble with formatting. I have another sheet where it formats a little better. So where are we at? So we have this sheet here. It's formatting from this cell, and it's pretty much taking this and then making it make more sense for the most part, and making the spacing more correct. So I take this, which is various cells, and then I'll copy and paste it into here, and then over here in the formatter column, it is going to make this copy and pastable with the correct format. So you notice here it's all spaced out and weird. Here it's split between cells. This formatted it to be how you would write it out. You can obviously add some spaces in there. GPT is still kind of weak with formatting, in my humble opinion. It doesn't recognize formats. It doesn't understand what format you want it to output, and it doesn't recognize differences in punctuation and things like that. So that makes it difficult. Okay, so those are just some of the beautiful fun tools of the concatenator. Now, let's see here. What other GPT functions have I played around with? There's GPT edit. So you could say GPT. So let's say I went school. Very fun time I had at school other day. Okay, now let's go GPT. Oh no, whoops. GPT edit. And then we will go J7. And let's see what the hell it does. I had a very fun... Whoopsie. I had a very fun time at school the other day. So it corrected, I went school, very fun time I had at school other day. And it corrected it, and it said I had a very fun time at school the other day. So that's the GPT editor. It'd be interesting to test that thing out on a larger piece of text. This is all using GPT 3.5 Turbo. So I'm paying a $20 a month membership, and I'm paying tokens. So this probably cost me like a couple cents to film this live stream. And that's the beautiful world of GPT in Sheets. So have a wonderful day, folks.